All right, so my kiddos are watching a movie, so if you hear that in the background, that's what's going on. Okay, so in today's video, I am going to be doing the 5x5 challenge inspired by The Secret Slav. So I wanted to know, does it make you more productive to do 5 rooms in 5 minutes when your house is turned upside down? Welcome to Plan, Prep, Pray. Hey girlie, my name is Wendy and I am a homeschooling stay-at-home mom of 4 little ones, and on this channel I talk about all things homeschooling, homemaking, mommy self-care, and kids empowerment. So subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. So as you know, I've been talking about all things productivity since the beginning of the year, and I heard of this 5x5 challenge from Erica Lucas. She had a recent video on it, and I'm like, I need to try this. So I hit up the cleaning guru herself, my friend Jill from At Home with Jill, and we decided to do a little collaboration of us doing the 5x5 challenge. So, did it help to make me more productive? Stay to the end to find out. I guess before I get started, I should say the 5x5 challenge is 5 rooms, 5 minutes each room. Timer's going. If you finish a room early, you can go back to a room that you didn't get a chance to finish cleaning. Got it? Let's go. Set 5-minute timer. Set a 5-minute timer.
Okay.
Set a 5-minute timer. Set a 5-minute timer. So the pros of doing this 5-minute per room speed clean thing is, sorry about the noise once again. The pros is I got some momentum in each room, like each room is looking decent, I can have people over as long as they don't look at the floors too closely. It looks like, the house is okay. Trying to beat that clock, you're moving as if you're on 2x speed. Like you're trying to move fast and you're not wasting time. So I thought that was really good too. So one of the cons is that the rooms weren't really clean, like, like they're picked up, but they're not like wiped down and like swept and stuff. So my OCD, like I feel like I really have to go back and clean. And yeah. Which brings me to my next con. It was really hard to like move on to the next thing because I'm like, but it's not done. I need to finish. But, had to listen to the rules. Would I do it again? Yes, of course I would. It helped to make me productive. It helped me get things picked up and quickly. And I appreciate you, Erica, for posting that video and getting me motivated. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I will see you next time. One second. Let me know in the comments, will you be trying this? Are you gonna try it now? Go do it. Bye. So in today's video, I am so excited. I am going to be doing the 5x5 challenge. Go.